So what is cell respiration? It's a metabolic process that takes place in our cells to convert nutrients into energy. Cell respiration contains a series of oxidation reduction reactions that eventually turns glucose and oxygen into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Energy in forms of heat and ATPs. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and these molecules, ATP molecules, they are basically energy currencies in our body to help us to do useful things. And therefore, let us try to go through key concepts in redox reactions. In chemistry, we define oxidation as loss of electrons and reduction as gain of electrons. There is a mnemonic tool to memorize this, which is oil rig. From biological perspective, these two chemists' definitions hold true. However, in biology, we can also look at oxidation reaction as formation of more carbon-oxygen bonds or less carbon and hydrogen bonds. And let's examine these relationships. We have to focus on the carbon atoms because it's the basis of organic molecules. Loss of electron cloud away from carbon is called oxidation, while gain of electron cloud toward carbon atom is called reduction reaction. And oxygen, as you know, is much more electronegative than carbon, meaning that when carbon and oxygen are bonded together, the electron cloud surrounding the carbon atom are far more attracted to oxygen. Since oxygen pulls electron cloud away from carbon atom to itself, there is a loss of electron from carbon atom to oxygen atom. Therefore, we call that oxidation. And oxidation can also be, as I said before, described as formation of less carbon and hydrogen bonds. It's because carbon is, in this case, more electronegative than hydrogen. Therefore, loss of hydrogen in carbon-hydrogen bonds lead to loss of electron cloud around the carbon atom, effectively causing loss of electron around carbon atom, and we call again that oxidation. And for reduction reactions, this relationship is simply reversed. And we can now look at some examples of redox reactions in organic compounds.